Hey. How you going? How you doing?
Okay, yourself?
Oh, buried out. Blew it all out the snowblower. Snowblower, you know? Ran out of gas.
Ran out of gas?
4 times and cleared it. I used it 4 times.
Damn.
Yeah. Used my help my friend the last like 30 seconds of it is like backfiring, you know. Gotta get a 40-to-1 ratio with the oil and everything.
Right.
We got like 28 inches.
28 inches?
Yeah. What we got? You doing?
Buried in.
There's my cousin running around.
Huh?
Where's my cousin John?
Oh, it's your cousin John.
What is he? Colleen? Marty's?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you go? You got that video?
Oh, it's once in a lifetime deal, you know? I'm not gonna see this again probably as long as I live, right?
Probably.
So I put it on tape, you know?
You're 78.
Yeah, but this is still more. We got 28 here. 27, 28, easy.
Yep.
Alright. Huh?
In front of that car.
My car's buried.
Yeah, you get a picture of that?
Mine's worse than that. Yeah. My car's the blue one, and back of that yellow one. Can't even see it.
Damn.
There's the cars. DJ! Video camera. I'm going to trudge through this mountain. Ah. Oh. This is my leg. I am trying to walk. Ah. Dun dun dun. Go back.
Yes, you're here at Snow Shuffling 101.
The front shovel. This is the house. The zooming in.
That looks good. Does it have a microphone on it?
Yes, it does. I didn't get really the heavy snow though. This morning it was heavy.
This is crazy.
Isn't it? This is one of the many townhouses buried in Newdorf. Little does this know, this poor shoveling fool lurks below a death trap. There's a little bit of an overhang, a little bit of snow. Hey T, let's see if we can make that fall.
I want to make it.
Knock on the house a little. Any other drifts? Nah, just that.
You gonna walk in there with that thing?
I highly doubt it. Here, T, you want to take it? Turn it around. Turn it around. We don't know.
You mean I was filming myself?
Yes, you were.
Okay.
I got no gloves on here,
How do I zoom in?
and I really doubt it.
What is W and T?
That's the zoom.
This is one of the many idiots trudging through snow.
Climb the mountain! I must climb the mountain! This is very difficult, you know.
I don't think so.
This is just a small drift. I left my gloves out.
Thousands of centuries ago, this was the state of the earth.
Hey, T.
Then the invention of the snow shovel.
Hey, what up?
Yes. What?
Go that way.
This way.
Yeah, you think you can over there. Yeah, I'm making a tunnel myself. I will make it over this damn thing.
Woo! I love the zoom. Back over. Alright.
Uh-oh. Did you get that?
Yeah.
Alright, down the mountain. Alright, I'm out of here.
Stop? How do you stop?
Raymond, what are you doing?
Hiding.
Raymond, where's the flashlight?
See my flashlight, Raymond? Raymond, where's my flashlight? You see it? Raymond, you see my flashlight?
Do you have the flashlight, Raymond? Do you?
Do you have my flashlight?
See. I want to see.
Give me the flashlight.
You got my flashlight? You got it? Let me see. Give me my flashlight.
Life-saving operations are ongoing. They are trapped inside the house. We will try to get them out. Woo! I should have put the hat on here. Stop for the wood. Yeah, look at this asshole comes now.
Well, fuck yourself, man. I had to fucking walk from Chester Avenue.
Oh, you should have walked there in the first place. Fucking at 4 o'clock. Started walking at 4. Well, there's a shovel too.
Yep. You got a gas song?
Yeah, like
So I shoveled the rest, right?
there's gas.
That's alright.
We shoveled though.
Huh?
We shoveled most of this.
Oh, you did?
Because I'm stalling out.
Too deep. What the fuck is deep in this?
Nah, this is the stuff we put on top though.
No, I shoveled this yesterday. I shoveled Yesterday when it was like this deep.
Well, you blew, the wind blew it over though. Look how small it is down there.
I know the drifts. That's deep. That ain't small. That's deep.
No, that yard I'm talking about. That yard is like
all
down.
the snow came here, right up against the house. Holy shit. Even the screen room got blasted.
Look at this.
That's our depth right there. That's about the closest thing to our depth right there, what we got. It's fun.
What?
Where you going now?
Your shovel's in there?
Where you going now?
What do you want?
My shovel.
It's in there already.
Alright, go.
Waiting for Patty and Marty. Playing cards.
Oh,
Patty's house.
get the hell out of here.
Alright, that's why we're shoveling, right?
Really?
Yeah, get your mother and father out. $360, look. The new toboggan run, formerly known as the steps.
Because it's like 70 right now in Manhattan.
There we are. The sun shines. Actually, I'm up on the roof tanning right now. But in Elizabeth, steer clear.
Right.
That was the eye of the storm.
I think you're right. That is God's wrath.
Forget everywhere else. Hey, where is the place where, was it Union or Elizabeth, where that TJ Maxx, where the roof crumbled?
Must have been Elizabeth.
Could have been because that was the eye of the storm.
Right.
Well, congratulations. A boy or a girl?
It's a boy, and we named it Matthew.
Matthew.
Yeah, it's only 5.7 pounds. So it's doing really good.
How long?
19 inches.
What about how long in the baby? Okay, thank you.
19 inches.
Well, congratulations and be safe, my friend.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for calling, bud. Take care. 412 at PLJ. Traffic, well, not so much traffic. Conditions and information. Here is Christina.
Yeah, basically that state of emergency, remember, it's in effect. Lower New York, New Jersey, city streets officially closed down. If you do look outside in the city right now, let me tell you what's going on. Not a car in sight, but people everywhere now that the snow actually stopped in the city.
There's a bus
and everybody's just taking a walk around just to see what everything's like. So now there's people all over the streets, but no cars. Remember, there's no commercial traffic allowed in Nassau, Suffolk, Westchester, Rockland, Putnam, Orange, and Sullivan, along with the 5 boroughs of New York. New Jersey Turnpike, it is actually closed down. You cannot get on it except if you're an emergency vehicle. Same with the Garden State Parkway and the trains. Long Island Railroad, no service west of Jamaica Station. New Jersey Transit on the Saturday schedule. PATH train suspended Newark to Journal Square. And you do have some delays on Metro North. Keep it in mind, the outbound running with delays. Inbound, you had some big delays earlier, and that is still going to cause you some difficulties on Metro North Transit train. The airports, they are closed down. Basically, stay inside and just keep warm. That's about the best thing to do for today. This report is brought to you by Quai odor-free garlic tablets. Quai has been repeatedly proven to lower cholesterol. Quai is the quality, the research.
Here are the victims.
Compromised teeth. Quai is not intended to treat any disease.
I can't believe it. What is this, a video?
Taking a video?
And they were saved from mere moments of death.
6 people, that's all. Hey, Raymond.
They heard it was going to snow a dusting or two.
Patty called. So was Dwayne looked into the house? He got stopped by the cops.
This is better. Not getting on bright. One second, let me get the one more locked in this one.
You gotta go pick your mother up now.
Oh, I got the truck was with us.
Holy
Got
shit.
ski pants on. Everybody's got ski pants.
We watch it through here, and that's it.
It's still on the camera. It's still on the camera.
Stop it.
I got it downloaded. I downloaded it today. Like, oh,
Paulie.
oh wait, give him a picture. What did I do?
Give what?
Come here, Ev.
What? What are you doing?
Paulie, give that to your father.
What is that?
Hold on, look at Paulie's smart trying to get milk for his nephew, Anthony's son.
Let's see.
Give that to your dad. I thought that was on the boulevard.
Who's in the back?
Huh?
Who's in the back?
Hey, Patty, Uncle Marty.
Going to a card game.
You can't see it.
Gotta play poker, yo.
I am poor.
Go down. Good, walk. Okay, put your gloves on. Come on, put your gloves on, Deanna. Use your other hand. Fine.
You put my glove on me.
Stick it in there. All right. Good. Oh! Where's Deanna? Look at Poppy, Deanna. Raven, look. Raven. Look at your daughter.
Oh my God!
Yeah, get Poppy.
Oh, Deanna!
She's stuck in the middle.
Oh, you got buried in snow!
Dad, she ain't gonna go that low.
God. Look at you!
I know, but I everybody think I am. I don't know.
All right.
Joey grabs this. We'll throw it over the house.
Look at her.
Keep going, go to the other side and go to Poppy. Go over. That way. Oh, who's this? Who's this? Baby Ray. Hey. Wait. Hold up, Raymond. Come on, Raymond. Raymond, this way. No, you're plowing them. Here, Raymond, wanna play in the snow? Wanna go by Deanna? Eddie? Up. Woo.
I like playing.
Watch out, Raymond. Why'd you take your gloves off? Hold on. Where you going, you silly goose? Come on, Raymond. Inside, get Grandma. Come on, go get Grandma. Go inside and get Grandma. Yeah, go get Grandma. Come on, Ma. Come on, Deanna, come here.
We're not going anywhere.
Hey, Raymond, want to go on the swings? Want to go on the swings, Raymond? Yeah. Come on, Ma.
Hey!
Yeah.
Going?
Yeah, waiting for you.
Trying to get there.
Get dressed. Come on, put your jacket on.
Father, come with us, go.
If he isn't, you still got to dress.
I'm dressed.
Let's go. Get your jacket on.
You coming, Joe?
Yeah, I guess so.
Okay, I'm
These little muggers. You got it backwards. Goes right up.